I never
I'm
thought
gonna
about
get
that
deep with
one.
it if you want to get deep.
Oh yeah.
So you know what's all
Oh, yeah.
Masonic, right?
Yeah.
So this is why it's court. And anytime you go to court, he's supposed to be the referee. He's supposed to be on a level playing field, but he's already up here. So subconsciously, you're already submitting to him.
Right.
And then they use a language called stand down language. Like you sit down, and then just the tones and the way they use the words. But it's all so when you go in, you want to say, I remove all planes and all boxes from this courtroom. This will be a level playing field.
Absolutely.
I appoint you as my honor bound, duty bound fiduciary. Because they're the trustees. So what happens is they switch roles. Because with the Cestui Que Vie trust, that's what it's called.
Mhm.
If you look up the definition of Cestui Que Vie, just look it up. It means beneficiary. You're going to be the beneficiary of this trust. It's an insurance policy. You're going to be the beneficiary of it. So when you go in there, they switch roles with you. It's a government contract out the gate. That's why I said, do you understand your charge? And then
So even when you say, do you understand? You're under the law.
stand under
You're
their
stand under
jurisdiction.
the law, right?
Yeah. And then think about this. If I say please, that means to beg, right?
Right.
So they give you a plea bargain. You're begging for this bargain.
Oh.
You're giving up all your rights.
All your rights through the word.
All your
All
rights.
in the language.
All in the language because you decided you want to be white or black.
Right.
Because this called color of law. And I know you've studied that color of law.
Yeah.
White or black, that's what they own. You have a right to a nationality.
Right.
And a lot of people don't know that their state is like their country.